Hello everyone, we are on step 46 of learning CSS colors by building a set of colored markers on freeCodeCamp.org. A very common way to apply color to an element with CSS is with hexadecimal or hex values. While they sound complicated, they're really just another form of RGB values. They start with this character, and they take 6 characters from numbers 0 through 9 in letters A through F. The first pair of characters represent red, the second pair represent green, and the third pair represent blue. For example, in the green CSS rules, set the background color to a hex color code with the values, so 00 for red, FF for green, and 00 for blue, like that. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.